What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 15 free stocks plus $30 in cash reward, get down to the description box and click on that Moo link. Moo is going to give you 5 free stocks plus the $30 cash reward when you open a new Moo brokerage account and put at least $100 in there. If you open the Moo brokerage account and put $1,000 in there, they're going to give you 15 free stocks plus the $30 cash reward. Guys, this will not last long. So act today. Get down in the description box, click on that Moo link, open up the Moo account, go get that free stock, go get that free money. If you want me to send you a couple of Moo tutorial videos to walk you through how to use the Moo brokerage app, send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. And just let me know you've opened your Moo account, you funded it, and I'll send you those tutorial videos to walk you through how to use the app so you can start buying big boy blue chip paper assets and start building yourself some wealth. Well, this morning, the headlines says the stock market rises to start November as Amazon shares soar. Now, I told y'all November, December, January, March, and April are the best 5 months in the stock market. This is off of 60 years worth of research. November 1st is today, guys. So hopefully you're in position. Hopefully you're in position. Stocks climbed Friday to kick off November as Amazon led big technology stocks into the green and traders looked past a disappointing jobs report. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 329 points, or 0.8%. The S&P 500 and the NASDAQ Composite rose 0.7% and 0.8% respectively. Amazon rallied more than 7% as strength in the cloud and advertising businesses propelled the e-commerce giant above Wall Street's earnings expectations. Intel popped, advanced nearly 4% after exceeding analyst forecasts for revenue and offering strong guidance. The two stocks improved sentiment following some notable earnings disappointments this week. Meanwhile, the jobs report released on Friday showed the U.S. economy added just 12,000 jobs in October, far below the Dow Jones estimate of 100,000, guys. This marked the weakest level of jobs creation since December 2020. That's almost 4 years, guys. The unemployment rate held at 4.1%, in line with estimates. However, traders were not reacting too much to the jobs figures, believing the dismal data was impacted by hurricanes and Boeing strike. And I can agree with that, guys. You've had 2 major hurricanes hit the United States over the last month. So that's impactful when it comes to job creation. Then, of course, you had the Boeing strike. That's another big one as well. Friday's jobs report showed that the labor market decelerated quite significantly in October compared to September. Chief Investment Officer at Bellwether Wealth, this is what he said. But this was a noisy number, largely due to hurricanes and labor strikes. So it's unlikely that this weakness is going to cause the Federal Reserve to pivot away from its expected 25 basis point rate cut at the November meeting. Now, here's a little thing you might want to think about. maybe they do a 50 basis point rate cut on November 7th. That would send things catastrophically to the moon if they did that. I'm not saying they'll do it, but if they did, oh, woo, we'd be making some money, man, on November 7th. In addition to the U.S. presidential election on November 5, which has led to elevated volatility, investors are also looking toward the Fed's two-day policy meeting on November 6 and 7. The moves higher come after a downbeat session on Thursday, which saw the S&P and the NASDAQ dragged down by post-earnings slumps in Microsoft and Meta. Both of the indexes notched their worst sessions since early September. The Dow, meanwhile, tumbled more than 300 points. But guess what? It's back today. Again, like I told you guys, November, December are going to be huge months, in my opinion, in stock market. You got a lot of tailwinds. I believe after November 5th, we're going to start seeing this thing really run. That's my opinion. Why? Because the election will be over. That will be behind us. We'll know who that person is that'll go sit in that seat for the next 4 years. That will be behind us. Then investors are going to get back to the business of making money. And they want to finish the end of 2024 strong. Remember, second quarter, part of third quarter, they kind of slowed down a little bit, right? Especially third quarter. They want to round out the fourth quarter strong. And I believe that's going to be happening. If you look at what's happening right now today in some of our individual stocks, take a look at Nvidia. Nvidia is up to 136.52. I mean, you got to understand, it was all the way down, I believe, to 132 yesterday, somewhere in that area, 132. So it slid, but boom, it bounced back. Why? Because of FOMO, because of optimism, because of these tailwinds that I believe will propel the stock market higher. But guys, get yourself in position to do whatever you need to do in order to take advantage of these next couple of months. I just believe they're going to be big. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not here to try to give you financial advice. I'm just giving you my opinion based on my 30 years of experience of buying big boy blue chip paper assets in all type of economic and market environments. Good environments, bad environments, sideways. I bought it all and it just stayed long on it, and I've done well. Get yourself down in the description box, click on the Moomoo link, open up that Moomoo account, get yourself up to 15 free stocks plus $30 in cash rewards. Don't miss this opportunity to get that free stock and get that free money. Also, stop by my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. I got 10 big boy blue chip digital products that I believe can help you build wealth. Go check them out. Many of you guys have already done that, so thank you. But for those of you guys that haven't checked it out yet, go check it out. While you're in the website, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. We got over 1,000 wealth builders in our community in just under 6 months. And we're going to take it to 2,000 by the end of this year. That's my goal. We'd love for you guys to consider joining us. All you got to do is hit the join button or the membership button in the website. It'll take you over to Patreon, and you can sign up and join the Wealth Builders, the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.